Price point on strategy eBay. Hello, welcome and thank you for choosing this video course. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to pinpoint the best price for an item that you're going to sell using eBay's advanced search pages. When it comes to determining the right price for the right item, it's a big question that even any experienced and new eBay sellers share the same sentiment. How much should I sell this for? Generally, it's best to search for the best offer of the accepted item's price. To search completed listings for similar or exactly the same item on eBay, 1. Click the Advanced Find link in the upper right-hand corner of most any eBay page. 2. On the Advanced Find page, enter the keyword search. 3. Click the appropriate box for condition, whether it's new or used. 4. Scroll further down the page and select the box for sold items. Optional, on the left side, click the box to search US-only listings. 5. Click the button to search now. 6. On the search results page, the completed and sold listings appear. In the Sort drop-down box, select the option to sort by highest price plus shipping. Using 6 simple steps above, you can see what similar items are selling for by looking at these completed search results listings. If desired, click one of the completed listings to see the item auction description to verify the item is exactly what you think it is. If an item sells quickly at the Buy It Now price, some sellers may think that they let the item go at too low of a price. In fact, some sellers may think they could have received more for the item, and greed sets in. Second-guessing the price of an item that has already sold is easy to do, but not healthy. As long as a seller had made money on the item, after all fees of course, then selling the item was a success and the overall store inventory turnover ratio has been improved. If an item has sold with a best offer, the asking price is crossed out. To see the accepted best offer price, do the following. 1. Click the View the Complete Item Auction Detail page. 2. Click the link near the top of the item description page, See Original Listing. 3. On the original listing page, scroll down to where the auction item number is stated. 4. Just above the item number is a link to print the page. 5. Print the print link. The print item page will display the accepted best offer price. Continue to research other sold items by returning to the advanced search results and repeating the steps above to identify the selling price of a best offer acceptance. It is possible to view the best offer price sold on eBay. All you have to do are these following simple steps down below. 1. Click to view the complete item auction detail page. 2. On a completed item page, the item number is not visible. To view the item number, navigate to the URL address bar and look for a 12-digit number. 3. Use this number and then open a web browser to www.watchcount.com. 4. Paste the item number in the search box and click Show Me What's Popular. 5. When the page returns, you will see the best offer price listed near the Sold For line. Click the link next to it that states Also Check Price Here on eBay. 6. The page will refresh with the completed auction and the best offer accepted price.